This is the Salim Street, corner Vigolia Street, Cebu City. 6 and 18 minutes in the morning in June 9, 2023. There is the column that is the Gizano main building. It's a mall, and the corner is the University of the Visayas, where I studied. Wala, nagpantira lagi ko. Ay, sorry. Ay, kain ko ang gibati nga nagpantira ko. Don't wish me luck dong. If every taxi came from there, you para. Dugay taan. This road is medium, many, because this has a road from going to Ayala. That's why it has passers. It has a lot of roads, and this is that Visayan motor. At night, we displayed our foods at night because we sell only at night. Okay, this is it. Early in the morning. Actual situation of the traffic update. Okay. No more vehicles yet. No workers yet. Because today is summer classes. Thank you, world. Thank you, Philippines. Thank you, Cebu City.